Consistency is the key to success in many areas of life, whether it's in your work, relationships, or personal goals. Developing good habits is one way to ensure that you stay consistent with your actions and ultimately achieve the results you desire. In this article, we will explore 3 habits that can help you cultivate consistency in whatever you do. The first habit that promotes consistency is setting clear goals. When you have a specific target in mind, it becomes easier to structure your actions and remain focused. By setting clear, measurable, and achievable goals, you are giving yourself something to strive for and a roadmap to follow. This not only helps you stay consistent, but also improves your overall productivity. Let's say your goal is to write a book. Instead of vaguely saying, "I want to write a book," set a specific target like, "I will write 500 words every day until I complete my book." This specific goal gives you a clear direction and a daily task to accomplish. By consistently hitting these smaller targets, you'll gradually build momentum and move closer to your ultimate goal. The second habit that leads to consistency is creating a routine. Having a consistent daily routine helps you stay on track and maintain focus. It eliminates decision fatigue and ensures that you spend your time and energy on the right things. A routine could involve setting aside specific times for certain activities, such as exercising in the morning, working in the afternoon, and spending quality time with loved ones in the evening. By establishing a routine, you create structure in your day and make it easier to prioritize your tasks. This consistency will gradually become a habit, making it easier for you to stay consistent in everything you do. Finally, the third habit for cultivating consistency is practicing discipline. Discipline is the glue that holds everything together. It's the ability to prioritize long-term goals over short-term gratification. Without discipline, it's easy to get sidetracked or give up when things get challenging. Developing discipline requires self-control and the willingness to make sacrifices in the present for a better future outcome. It means saying no to distractions and temptations that might hinder your progress. Whether it's resisting the urge to check social media during work hours or sticking to a healthy eating plan, discipline is the backbone of consistency. While these 3 habits may seem straightforward, mastering them takes practice and perseverance. We live in a world full of distractions and instant gratification, which can make consistency a difficult feat. However, when you manage to incorporate these habits into your daily life, the rewards are immense. When you set clear goals, create a routine, and practice discipline, you are setting yourself up for success. Consistency becomes second nature, and you become more efficient and productive in whatever you set out to achieve. Whether it's mastering a skill, building a business, or maintaining a healthy lifestyle, these habits will support you every step of the way. Remember, consistency is not about being perfect or never making mistakes. It's about showing up consistently and putting in the effort, even when things get tough. It's about committing to your goals and taking small steps towards them every day. So start cultivating these habits today, and watch as your consistency transforms your life.